Welcome to Salesforce Einstein Analytics project tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to cover basic concept of Einstein Analytics and how we are going to create a complete dashboard using Einstein Analytics platform concepts to visualize the data. So now this project we are going to consume data from the external source like to get the COVID-19 informations about the India and its states, the total number of cases, each state have, what are the case counts, all this data we are going to get from this external source through the API call to my Salesforce database. Nothing but we can think there is a custom object where we are going to pull it. So this complete project tutorial I am dividing in two part. One part how to get data from my external database to my Salesforce, and from Salesforce how I am going to take that to Einstein Analytics platform to visualize it. And to get data from COVID-19 database to Salesforce database, what we are going to do, we are making a API call with the help of REST service, or you can say REST call. And now we also need to sync the latest information always in my Salesforce database. That's why we need to use the concept of Apex scheduler, and we'll see how this asynchronous calls and how the call out we are going to make to get my latest data from COVID-19 database to my Salesforce database. So once I got Salesforce database, then I'll focus on the part 2. So where I am going to visualize my data in Einstein Analytics platform by building dashboards with the help of different kind of widgets. And to do that, we'll discuss about the concept of data set, we'll discuss about concept of data flow, lens, recipe, and how we can schedule the data flow, how we can always sync my dashboard data with the latest information what is we are getting from the COVID-19 database. And finally we'll see how this data uh, we are going to display this Einstein Analytics dashboard we are going to display in a lightning app page, or we are going to expose it to the community. So all these concepts we are going to cover up on this tutorial. And here you can see starting from signing of Salesforce org with Einstein Analytics enabled, to implementing the integration concept, scheduling that integration calls, and finally building the dashboard with Einstein Analytics platform. So now if you see, we are going to build something like this. So if you see the COVID-19 India org site, how we are going to display the data related to COVID-19 case in the India. So nothing but we are going to build the filter, we are going to build different kind of charts here, we are going to build different kind of table here to show the details of each state, then we are going to build different kind of chart you can see here. So all these things we are going to build it, and also we can see how everything will be embedded to develop a complete project in Einstein Analytics platform. Thank you. Stay tuned for next session from where we'll start how to sign up for Salesforce account with a Einstein Analytics enabled.